How to reactivate your Facebook account on both iPhone or Android phones. So if you've deactivated your Facebook account for some reason and you now want to reactivate it and use it again, but you don't know how to do it, then follow my steps because I'll show you how you can do just that. I'm first going to deactivate my Tutor Facebook account, and you have to make sure that you know your Facebook password. So write it down somewhere or remember it, because we will need our Facebook account password in order to reactivate our account. So my Tutor Facebook account is now deactivated, and I'm going to reactivate it now. All I have to do is to log in with my email address and password, and my account will be reactivated again. So we just have to log in by using the mail and password that's connected to our account, and that's it. Your Facebook will be reactivated, and you will be able to use it without a problem. But this will work if you've deactivated your account. If you've deleted your Facebook account, then you'll have around 30 days from the moment you've sent a request to delete your account until the moment it gets permanently deleted. When you send a deletion request, your Facebook account will be deactivated for a period of 30 days, and you'll be able to log in with your information and get your account back. But if the 30 days had passed, then you won't be able to recover your Facebook account by logging in because it will be permanently deleted and you can't get it back. But if you've only deactivated your account, just log in and that's it. Your account will be reactivated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.